morning, children. Are we ready for the session?
What if every child, every woman, every young dreamer had a place that made them feel safe, equal, seen, and strong? What if learning could ignite not just minds, but hearts? This is the world of Vidya. Welcome to Vidya, where hope and aspirations are a way of life, and every person is worth believing in.
When I grow up, I want to become a chef.
I want to join NDA and fly for the Indian Air Force.
I want to become a cricketer.
I want to do my computer engineering and build my own startup.
Witness change as it happens. Step into our world. Feel the magic.
What began in 1985 as a small seed, the dream to educate 5 little girls, has grown into a very powerful movement. Today, Vidya stands tall like a big banyan tree, spreading its roots across India, transforming generations of children, youth and women through education and through empowerment.
I'm learning Bharatanatyam and I want to perform it all over the world. I want to become an artist who does paintings.
For over 40 years, Vidya has created pathways of hope, dignity, and opportunities, giving wings to the dreams of lakhs of individuals from underserved communities. All our work across communities and schools has been possible because of parents, volunteers, donors, and partners.
Together, we have not just built an organization, we have built a movement.
When I grow up, I want to become a collector. I want to become an entrepreneur in food chain businesses.
I want to become an architect. I want to build a home for my family and myself.
Now, with the Discovery and Innovation Hub, we take a bold leap forward. We nurture creators, innovators, and job makers.
Vidya's Discovery and Innovation Hub in Gurugram is designed as an 80,000 square feet, 5-story, vibrant ecosystem for next-gen learning.
We are building this world-class discovery and innovation hub to bridge the skilling gap after the conventional education.
With STEM and tinkering labs, a startup incubator, a digital resource center, and dedicated spaces for entrepreneurship, coaching, and collaboration, this hub is designed to spark creativity, ignite critical thinking, and nurture innovation.
From robotics and digital literacy to enterprise development, every corner of this space inspires active, inclusive, and transformative learning. This is where future leaders will not only dream, but design real-world solutions, build enterprises, and transform communities. The future is being shaped here.
I aspire to be an aerospace engineer.
My dream is to become an IAS officer.
I want to pursue physics in research.
I want to become the President of India.
We invite CSR leaders and partners to co-create this vision and to shape the next generation of change makers and help Vidya build a Viksit Bharat.
The Discovery and Innovation Hub is Vidya's biggest and most ambitious project. We cannot achieve this without your support. Become a donor, become a partner, or train young minds with skills that your industry needs. And together, let us shape tomorrow's innovators and entrepreneurs.
Because every success story begins with someone who believes. Be that someone, the spark that lights the way.